We've got another box opening here. This is of an HDTV outdoor antenna. Now we have an antenna in our attic right now, but the signal is subpar. So we wanted to do a test on this antenna to see if it will get us a better signal, and open the box for you guys so you can see what it looks like. This purports 150-mile range. It says it's got motorized rotation. We're curious to see what that means. On the side of the box here, 150-mile range, 1080p HD quality, 360-degree motorized rotation. Blah, 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 blah. So it does come with 32 feet of cable. So we'll take a look at this. If you live in really cold areas, looks like it wouldn't work very well. 14 degrees. So a lot of folks live in sub-zero. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, in the box we've got 32 feet of cable. A little white box. This has the little transformer, little AC adapter, another box here. There's the antenna itself. It does have a motorized, it is motorized. It's got a remote to change the angle. A little mount there, some screws, the motor itself, I guess. The antenna, which we'll open here in a second. Antenna rods there. More antenna parts there. And instructions on how to use this baby. Let's put it together and we'll tell you how it looks. Okay, she's all put together now. So you can see here, you just screw in each little antenna to the main post with the 5 black screws. The longer nickel screw goes through there, which are aluminum, I guess. 4 screws put the mount on right there. This will flip back if you need to get access there. And then you just flip these 2 antennas forward. We put the main line of cable right here into the base. There is a little gasket here so you can keep it covered. It goes right there. That's plugged into the antenna slot back here. You have, this is the out to your source, to your TV, and then you have a second out if you want to do that. Then you can plug this baby in, and it looks like it's powered just through the RG6 cable itself. So we've got a little LED on now, and because it's on. So now, if we want to rotate it, there it is, rotating. You just press this red button, and it's, I gotta get past this point right there, whoops. My first impression, not super impressed with the quality of the plastic. Seems like it'll last for a while, but if this is in the sun, I don't know if this plastic's going to break down. I haven't read the material it's made out of. But if it's just sitting up there not moving a lot, I think it'll be fine. We're going to try it right now just inside, see if we get any signal on a TV. Okay, this is a quick and dirty. Got it plugged in there. Got it there. I'm going to plug this into the wall. Okay, it's on. Okay, hit the TV. This is the old antenna. Let's see if we got TV. What do you know? We've got TV and we didn't even run the you didn't run the programming, right? Go ahead and change the channel. Okay. Try again. Okay, that's really interesting. Can you run the programmer, or just leave it at a channel? Yeah, leave it at a channel for a second. You can see how much signal we have right here from the antenna. Now, mind you guys, this is where we have it. Now here, don't hold it because your body will actually have an effect on the signal. Let's just put it here as if. Okay, there it is. I mean, I don't even have this on the roof yet. We're gonna put it up high, right? Okay, can you change the channel? Wow. Getting great signal. And we don't even have this mounted on a pole. We're going to just scan for the antenna for channels right now for you guys. Scan. Yeah, there you go. Start. There we go. Let's just see how this does. Let's go ahead and click start. No. No. That was years ago. Don't do that anymore. So that's running right now. This is just sitting here. There is an LED. Shows you that it is powered. The motor is powered from the antenna, from the cable line itself. I think it's RG6. It's going through. Okay, we've got the TV set up. We're getting some signal, but you can see with the antenna right here on the couch, we're getting some poor signal. There you go. A little bit of lag on some of these. So we're going to go throw this up in the attic, see how the signal improves. So we put the antenna up in the attic, and the line's quite long. It actually goes all the way from the second story down to the basement and then back up to the TV. When we programmed it, we only got 4 channels out of it. So I'm going to have to reposition it to see if I can get more, because I saw I was getting way more channels just in the living room when we had less wire. So I think there's a problem with amplifying the signal through the long wire. Anyway, that's our little unboxing and review, semi-review. I think it'll be a decent antenna, just from first glance. If we can get it high enough up and a good signal coming down, I think it'll do the job. So, over and out.